Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about chemistry. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and like the video. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a physical science, and it is the study of the properties of and interactions between matter and energy. In other words, chemistry is a way to study the properties, characteristics, and physical and chemical changes of matter. How does chemistry work? In a chemical, the atoms and molecules that interact with each other are called reactants. No new atoms are created, and no atoms are destroyed. In a chemical, reactants contact each other. Bonds between atoms in the reactants are broken, and atoms rearrange and form new bonds to make the products. How does chemistry impact our world? Chemistry is a big part of your everyday life. You find chemistry in daily life, in foods you eat, air you breathe, soap, your emotions, and literally every object you can see or touch. Food is made from chemicals. Many of the changes you observe in the world around you are caused by chemical reactions. What are some important ingredients in chemistry? Some important ingredients/chemicals are acid water sulfide, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, fluoride. This can be a dangerous task to use these chemicals. Follow our social media. Thank you for watching.